Hey y'all, now your girl Ashirifia all in one this. Come on, make we cook and chop la. On the menu today, we are going to be making fish patties, y'all. Fish patties. To make this tasty yet easy fish patties, we are going to need all-purpose flour, some tuna fish, cold butter, onion, carrots, shallots and garlic, some egg for our egg wash, nutmeg, some baking powder, and salt. To make my dough, I am going to mix in my baking powder, nutmeg, and salt. Mixing it all together so there is no lumps anywhere. Now, I'm going to add my cold butter. I am not using an electrical mixer, so I am going to mash my butter in with a potato masher. The butter is evenly mixed in with my flour. To make sure I have a perfect flour to butter ratio, I make a clump and separates it. If it easily separates, then I know that my butter and flour are perfect. Now, to make my dough, I am going to gradually add in my water. Careful so I don't overdo with the water. I don't want my dough to be tough. So as I add my water and mix it in, I'm going to slowly start clumping up portions of my dough so I don't have to keep mixing to end up with a tough dough at the end. Now that my dough is all together, I am going to set it aside and start with my filling. So in a saucepan, I just added a little bit of vegetable oil, throwing in all my vegetables, my carrots, onion, garlic, shallots, and I'm going to saute this for a few minutes. As you can see, my filling is coming out great and it's looking beautiful. Very colorful at that. Now, I just added a little bit of black pepper. This is completely optional, so you do not have to do this if you don't want to. I'm going to go in and add my tuna fish. My tuna fish. This is what makes our fish patties. Now that my tuna is in, I am going to fry this up a little bit to dry it out. So when I put it in my dough, it doesn't drip water while it's baking. As this is going, I'm thinking to myself, I want to take it up a notch. I'm going to go ahead and add in some hot powdered pepper. This is hot. In my country, we call this mekosam. It's going to take our filling to a different level. Make it nice and spicy. So when you take a bite of your fish patty, you're like, The filling is all done. We are going to go ahead and put together our patties. So I'm taking small portions of my dough. I'm rolling them out with my rolling pin and I am stuffing my fish filling inside my rolled out dough. Now I'm using a knife to cut the excess off, and I'm going to use a fork to secure the ends in by pressing them down. Here is a second look for you to see or have a better understanding of the process. Roll out your dough, put your fish filling in, close it up, use a fork to secure the ends. If you have any excess, just use a knife to cut it off. It does not need to be in perfect shape. As a matter of fact, for me, the messier it is, the more you get crunchy parts of your pie. Looking just like so. So I'm going to go ahead and brush them with my egg wash. Egg wash is just water and eggs mixed together. So make sure you get a nice coat on all of them. Throw them in the oven on 355 for 40 minutes. Depending on what type of oven you have, you might have to adjust your timing. And look, voila, they look nice, golden, and beautiful. I like the crunchy parts of it because when you're having it with your drink, it just works perfect together. Look how beautiful that is. Look. Oh, Lord, I can't wait. I'm going to have mine with some lemonade, some freshly squeezed lemonade. We finished cuckoo. Come make we chop la. If you're new to my channel and you would like to be part of the all-in-one team, hit that subscribe button, the notification button, so whenever I upload a video, you will be amongst the first to see it. Thank you guys and have a great day.